Good morning, class. Today, we're diving into the world of computer mouse and touchpads. These are essential tools for interacting with computers. So, let's explore together. In the world of computers, a mouse is like your digital navigator. It helps you move around and interact with what's on the screen. Now, let's explore the diverse family of computer mouse. Here we have wired mouse, wireless mouse, gaming mouse, and trackball mouse. Each has its unique features and benefits. So, how do we make these mouses dance across the screen? It's as simple as moving the mouse to control the cursor, left-clicking to select or open items, and right-clicking to access menus. You can also scroll through documents or web pages and drag items around with ease. Now, let's talk about using the mouse safely. Remember to position your mouse comfortably, take breaks to prevent strain, and keep your mouse and desk clean. Now, let's meet another member of the input device family, the touchpad. The touchpad senses your touch and translates it into cursor movement. Using a touchpad is easy. Tap to select, swipe to scroll, and pinch to zoom. Remember to clean your touchpad gently and avoid pressing too hard. Remember, understanding different types of mouses and touchpads enhances your computer usage. That's all for today. Keep exploring and practicing. See you next time.